Building a wealthy mindset. Ever wondered why some people attract wealth effortlessly while others struggle no matter how much they earn? The secret is not in how much you make, it is in how you think about money. Today and in this video, I am going to share powerful strategies that will transform your financial mindset and the discipline, helping you build long-term wealth. Watch this video to the end. Research have shown that greater number of people work hard for money, and the lesser percentage of people that understand the strategy, which I called the wealthy, they make money work for them. These are the two categories of people. This category, the first category, they work hard to make money, and the other category, they make money work for them. And in this video, I am going to show you how you can achieve this, because everything originates from your mindset. The ones that make money to work for them, they master financial discipline. That's just the simple truth. They master financial discipline and they continuously educate themselves. Don't skip any part of this video. Let me show you exactly how they do this. It is through mindset shift. With this mindset shift, you can build financial discipline, and you can do this through the use of books, reading books, listening to podcasts, watching videos, educational and financial videos like this one, and taking online courses. These are just avenues that you can be able to develop your mind, see money in a different ways, and even make the money to work for you. My name is Juliet, and what I do basically in this channel, this is Finspoke channel, what I do is to bring financial literacy to the grassroots through goal setting, savings and investment, budgeting, online money making ideas, coaching, and entrepreneurship at large. If this is the type of vibe that you like, the kind of things that you want to hear, why not smash the subscribe button, like this video, and please share this video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever I share financial tips like this, you will be the first to get notified. Now, the first thing in achieving this mindset shift is through financial education. Financial education. They say that education is key. Yes, I agree. But I do say that knowledge is the padlock, and application of that knowledge is the key that opens that padlock. Let me not confuse you. Now, understand the fact that money don't come with a manual. Money, that's the only thing that have come, that the manufacturer or the producer, the CBM produce without attaching a manual to it. But the right knowledge can be your guide when you make this money. You make the money, you have the right knowledge. That right knowledge becomes the manual that you use in order to utilize this money. The difference between the rich and the poor is not luck, L-U-C-K, as you all say. The difference between the rich and the poor is financial literacy. Financial literacy. The wealthy continuously learn and improve their financial skills, while the poor remain stuck in bad money habits. If you lack financial literacy, there is 98% chances of you having this bad money habit, and that is what is making your money to slip away or to disappear without even you knowing it. There's a video I made on your money is disappearing. I will leave the link in the description. You go and watch that video and see how that money is disappearing without even you noticing it. Do you know that even till today, Warren Buffett spent 80% of his time reading? Do you know that? He does this because financial education never stops. It is a continuous thing. Just the way we say that learning is a continuous thing, financial education is also a continuous thing. It doesn't end. It doesn't stop. And the truth is that you don't need a degree to manage money. You only need the right knowledge to manage money. Under education, in this mindset shift, you need to study financial books and you need to study the right books. There are a lot of books out there, but you just need to start with these few that can transform your mindset. I am going to mention just 3 books for you to start with or to get started with this year. If you can read these 3 books within the next 3 months or within the next 6 months, trust me, the way you see money, your mindset will be transformed, and the way you see money will be, you will start seeing money in a different perspective. The first book I want to mention here is the book called Rich Dad and Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book dwelt extensively on mindset shift. It's a book that talks about an employee. It talks about the life of employee and the life of an entrepreneur. Meaning that remaining as an employee can never get you wealthy, except you are wise enough. The second book I want to mention here is the book that is called The Psychology of Money. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This particular book talks about how to think. It shows you, or it deals extensively on how you think about money. When you go through this book, The Psychology of Money, you will start seeing money in a different way. You have a different understanding, a different perspective of what money is and how money works. And the third book I am going to mention here is the book that is called Your Life, Your Money or Your Life. That's the name of that book. Your Money or Your Life by Vic Robin. That particular book, it deals extensively on financial independence tips. Financial independence tips. You can get started with books. There are a lot of books, but I just want you to get started with these 3. And if you still have time, you can add Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. That one talks about in fact, it talks about our subconscious mind, the fear, what things that actually holds you back. And if you're able to break out those things, why not? You move. The first thing is to start by reading financial books. It will help you a lot. Like some people will say that they don't have time to read. You can automate the audio reading. You can use audio reading. If you can't carry the book, if you cannot read the hard copy, you can use the soft copy through your phone, through your PC, through your gadgets. You can use audio voices and read. These things are more easier now. Now, another way to have this mindset shift is by listening to podcasts. You can turn down your wasted time into the learning time. Listening to podcasts. You can tune in to, whether you are driving, you can tune in to listen, or you are working out. You can use your earphone, your headset, and tune in to any podcast, and financial podcast precisely, and listen to them. You can listen to Dave Ramsey's show. He talks more about budget and the debt freedom. Even if you are not into debt, there are 1 or 2 tips that you can learn that will prevent you from even falling into debt. And if you are struggling with debt, there are things that you will learn from him that will make you to come out of that debt. You can listen to Afford Anything by Smart Money Moves. You can also listen to the Financial Independent podcast that deals more on retirement tips. And there are a lot of podcasts out there that you can tune in and listen to. You can search the Google, you can leverage YouTube, and so on. What we are talking about here is training your mind. Change starts from the mind. Let there be a mindset shift. But you cannot just wake up and have that mindset shift without, first of all, feeding that your mind to get it transformed. And the next thing to do is you can take online courses. Like I said earlier, you don't need a degree certificate to manage money. You just need to be financially educated. And these are the things that you can do for yourself. You can take paid courses and you can take free courses. You can leverage platforms like YouTube. You can, say to yourself, every day I must watch at least one video that deals extensively on finances, personal finance in this case. So these things will help you to equip your mind, to transform your mind on the way you see money, and you start building confidence and start making your money to work for you. What the rich is using over the poor is what I call unfair advantage. They discovered the secret and they hardly talk about it. Now, after having this mind, developing or transforming your mind, the next thing is to develop financial discipline. The moment you develop financial discipline, the next thing to do is to apply that financial discipline in your daily life. You've transformed your mind by reading these books, financial books, or watching financial videos, or listening to financial podcasts. The next thing to do is inculcate or develop financial discipline. The moment you develop this financial discipline, you have to apply it in your daily life. Once you apply it in your daily life, then you set a clear financial goal for yourself. A clear financial goal, making the goal to be smart. Write the goal down, your short-term goal, your mid-term goal, and your long-term goals. Once you get these things that I mentioned in this video right, you will discover that money will not disappear again from your hands. But if you work without a goal, financial goal, you discover that money disappears. Go and watch that video. You will see how the money disappears. You will discover the secret, how the money flies away. So get mindset shift. Inculcate financial discipline. Set a clear financial goal and you are good to go. If you have gained value or learned something from this video, please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and share this video. If in any way you have any question or you have a suggestion, drop it in the comment section. I will read them one after the other and get back to you. Till I come your way next time. Peace.